So we're going to write the word equation and symbol equation for what happens when propane burns in oxygen. So it's helpful to know that propane's formula, so this is where symbol equations come in useful as well, is C3H8. And of course oxygen is O2. So knowing that propane is a hydrocarbon, it contains carbon and hydrogen, we'll know that looking at the word equation, when it combines with oxygen, it's going to make carbon dioxide, because the carbons are combining with oxygen, and it's going to make water, because the hydrogens are combining with oxygen. So we've got CO2 plus H2O. So this is what happens when propane burns, oxidation reaction, and this links back to our question about respiration, again being an oxidation reaction, so the same type of reaction. So now we've got the word equation and we've got the correct formula for each of the components. We now need to balance the equation. So the first thing to do is to note that there are 3 carbons in propane, C3. Okay, you would have found that formula just by looking it up. But now you know there are 3 carbons. We know that can make 3 lots of carbon dioxide. And we know there are 8 hydrogens. So the hydrogens, remember, make the water. Now in water, for every molecule of water, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. So 8 hydrogen atoms is going to make 4 molecules of water. Now what we need to do is to deal with the oxygen, because we've now added more things. We've balanced up the carbon and the hydrogen on both sides, 3 and 3, 8 and 8. But remember, we've altered the numbers of oxygens. So we've got 3 times 2 there, which is 6, 4 times 1 there, which is, of course is 4, so 6 plus 4 is going to equal 10. So we've got 6 oxygens there plus 4 oxygens there, which equals 10. So we've got to have 10 oxygens on this side. So to have 10 oxygens, we know each oxygen molecule has 2 oxygens in it. So to get 10 oxygen atoms, we need 5 oxygen molecules. So what this is telling us is 1 molecule of propane reacts with 5 molecules of oxygen to make 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and 4 molecules of water.